Hello people, this is GamerGirl457 back with you another YouTube video once again. We are in my friend's den, Clever Coyote 5, and we are just walking around looking at their house. That's what we're gonna do. And my character is spiced up, like legit spiced up. If you don't know what I'm talking about, is I have this armor on. I got the full collection of the armor. I traded my spike collar for this and a panda tail for it. A blue panda tail with yellow around the stripes. The stripes were yellow. Anyways, I did that, and this is what my character looks like. My other characters on the hand I haven't used in a while. Like my bunny and my monkey, they're not spiced up because I like my dog. And I am trying to figure out how to get a lot of gems. Let me know in the comment section how to get gems, like for free or just getting gems in general. I don't want to have to buy them. I will play Animal Jam with a camera that you can see my face and everything if y'all want that while I'm playing this, because yeah. And I am playing this on my phone, so yeah. I'm not gonna follow that person. I'm gonna go somewhere else. I'm gonna go to Jamal, because it's boring in that house. Or whatever. Jamal made a new island. Animal Jam made a new island or whatever. It's pretty cool. It's pretty dope. I like it. If anyone wants to add me on Animal Jam, go ahead and put my name, Tosha, Tosha, 40560. And friends request me because I am a YouTuber. I'm trying to get a lot of likes and comments and stuff. Oh, they have... Those are cool. I like that. The double skunk tail. That's cool. So I'm going to go to the that place right there. I'm gonna show y'all something that I am wanting on here. So, you click that little shield over there, and I can get membership for 500 gems. 1 month membership. So, $10 gems, I can get that much. No. I'm not using gems, I'm trying to get a lot of gems. Somebody's in my house, so let's go to my house. Or whatever. Let's see if anyone's in my house. Yes, my friend is in my house. Hello. What do you want, kid? Hope that's not mean. Oh, I couldn't say that it was upset someone. No, it wouldn't. It wouldn't upset anyone. There, I'll do a smiley face. I don't know what this bunny wants. Whatever, I'll let them leave. I'll let them stay in my house. I don't care. I'm just gonna run around and do whatever I want right now. Fashion show in my room. Oh, crap. So I am not gonna trade my armor. Yeah, I don't think I should trade my armor because I like it. I don't care what people think. Well, spikes or was it rare? I don't care. I like this. I like my outfit. Everyone in Animal Jam thinks I'm a boy. Like, no, I'm not a boy. I might sound like a boy because I'm a tomboy. I'm not like a girly girl. I'm a girl, but I like to be a boy instead of a girl. I act like a boy, so yeah. And if y'all are wondering what age I am 15. I am not looking for a boyfriend. I have a boyfriend. Because I know some of you guys on YouTube try to ask me that crap. Like, who you dating? Who you dating? Well, if you're wanting to know who I am dating, Dino Tommy Gaming. He's on YouTube. Go ahead and go look at his YouTube stuff. And it'll pull up. It's not like pull up and say that I'm dating him. It'll pull up on TikTok. I have a TikTok called LPS Pup Lover 405. And if you put his name in TikTok, Dino Tommy Gaming, it'll say that I'm dating him. So yeah. And even if I wasn't dating him, I'm not doing online dating. No. I hate online dating. I never done it, but I'm just saying I hate it. Anyways, let's get back to the game. Yeah. Bunny only party. In 1 minute. I have a bunny. Whoa. Okay guys, that'll be the end of the video. I hope you enjoy. Subscribe for some more videos, and yeah, bye guys.